Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your Grammarly account. So open in your browser and type grammarly.com. Now log in your account using your preferred login, and once you log in you will see this interface. Here click on account. Now guys, here is the option delete account. This account will no longer be available and all your saved data will be permanently deleted. So if you are sure and you want to delete, so click on delete account. Are you sure you wish to delete the Grammarly account associated with this Gmail? So two options you will see. Now take me back to my saved accounts, and also guys, if you are sure, so click on yes, continue with account deletion. Select your Gmail. That's it. Now you will see your account has been deleted. So this way guys, you can permanently delete your Grammarly account. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.